Is a tiny chip in the windshield illegal? A tiny chip in the windshield is not automatically illegal, but it can be if it blocks the driver's clear view of the road. In California, including Orange County, windshield laws focus on visibility and safety rather than the exact size of the damage. If the chip sits in your direct line of sight or starts to crack, law enforcement can issue a fix-it ticket for having an unsafe windshield. Even if it's legal, leaving a chip unrepaired makes it more likely to spread due to temperature shifts, road vibrations, and everyday driving conditions. In Orange County, busy freeways like the I-5 and CA-55 increase the risk of small chips worsening quickly, especially with constant high-speed driving. Repairing a chip as soon as possible helps you avoid fines, keeps your windshield structurally sound, and prevents more expensive repairs later. At OC Auto Glass Repair, we fix small chips on-site anywhere in Orange County, often in less than 30 minutes. We use high-quality resins and precise repair techniques to restore clarity and prevent cracks from spreading. By acting quickly, we help drivers stay safe, avoid legal trouble, and extend the life of their windshields. Call OC Auto Glass Repair today at 9494279211 or visit www.ocautoglassrepair.net.